Niagara Falls. We are on the Canadian side. The area you're looking at now is the border between the United States and Canada. And this is the bridge that separates the United States and Canada. You can see the wonders of nature. You see a lot of people here having fun. This is the Canadian side of the falls. And this is the Niagara Falls. And this is the United States of America. Where you're looking at is the United States of America, and this is the bridge separating Canada and the US. Where this is just between the Ontario and New York City, or New York as a state. This is the boundary between Ontario and New York. Just a bridge and the waterfalls. Wonderful.